Over the past few years, I've tried out dozens of different online business models. Most were huge failures, but some were huge hits. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you my top 5 online businesses you need to be starting. So let's just jump straight into it. Okay, the first online business is one that's newer, but I've been having a lot of fun with it, and it's TikTok Shop. I'm sure you've been scrolling on TikTok and the ones where you can just click on it and it's a product that comes up in the video. This is probably someone that's selling on TikTok Shop or doing TikTok affiliate marketing. But TikTok Shop has presented a new opportunity to make some cash on TikTok, and it's not that hard to get started with it. The first thing you need to do is come over to TikTokShopSellerCenter.com and just select your region, whatever region you in, and then it's 2 different ways you can start with TikTok Shop. The first way is you can do print on demand. This is by designing your own custom products by using Printify. You can come over to Printify, or you can use Printful. They are 2 amazing print on demand suppliers that you can use where you just can customize your own products. And to create your designs, all you need to do is come over to Canva. Canva is the best place to create your designs. All you need to do to create your designs is do custom size 4500 by 5100. Hit create new design, and once you get to this screen, you can add in any text, any elements you want. Let's say I wanted to add in like a bird into my picture, or let's say I wanted to add in a coffee mug to create a coffee t-shirt. I can select this coffee cup and put it in my photo, and then come down here and put in some text as well. Scroll that up some and change this text to like coffee time. And as you can see, that easily I can download this, and then I can come back over to Printify or Printful, upload my t-shirt or design, and that easy you can start creating designs. And once you signed up for TikTokShopSellerCenter.com, and once you create your design on Canva and upload them to Printify or Printful, your shirt, t-shirt, hoodie, mug, whatever it is, you're gonna easily have them on your TikTok account now. And as you can see, this is one of my designs right here that I've created. It's very basic. It's just yesterday, today, tomorrow. Yesterday crossed off, today a little larger, and then tomorrow $29.99, $2.99 for shipping. And then I just have my description right here. So this is how it looks in the shop. You can easily get started with it. It probably won't even take you an hour to set all of this up, and then create 1 to 3 designs a day. So hopefully one of your designs go viral, and that is how you can start print on demand using TikTok Shop. And the second way you can do this is by just using drop shipping to do on TikTok Shop. But this one is a little more trickier. You can't use, suppliers like AliExpress or anything, because it doesn't allow the shipping times. But what you can do is use CJ Dropshipping. This is the supplier I've been working with. As you can see over here, they have 3 to 7 day shipping, which meets the requirements for TikTok Shop, because they're very strict when it comes to their shipping. And you don't want to you can't use just any product on CJ Dropshipping too. So like, these products right here, you don't want to use, or not even the print on demand products. What you want to do is just keep scrolling until you see this recommended products for e-commerce platform section, and then click on TikTok Shop US. And then right here, you can scroll through all their different products, and you can add any of these products right here to your TikTok Shop. And honestly, they have a decent amount of product. They have 17 different pages of, about, I would say this is about 50 different products you can sell. So 50 times 17, that's a decent amount of products that you can sell from. So they have a huge quantity when it comes to selling different products. And like these gloves, puppy light, anything that's under TikTok Shop US, you can sell it on your dropshipping store on TikTok Shop. So these are the 2 main ways that you can get started selling with TikTok Shop. Okay, and the second online business you can get started with is one of my favorites, and that is by using Pinterest affiliate marketing. It's really easy to get started with, and there's a few different ways you can start it, but one of my favorite ways is just by creating a blog, or having an affiliate product or something of the sort, and then having in my link to the affiliate product or to my blog so I can build up traffic or get sales. And as you can see with this account right here, followers don't really matter on Pinterest. I got 860, but what really matters is your monthly views. You can have 10, 20, or 100 or 200 followers and be getting a lot of views per month. So this account get around 35,000 to 40,000 views per month, which brings me in a decent amount of sales. And let me show you what I do for this account. So this is one of my pins right here that I've created in Canva. It took me like 5 minutes to create this pin in Canva. And then once somebody comes to my pin, let's say they like it, 52-week organizing and cleaning challenge, because this account is around cleaning. It's called Chris So Clean. All they would do is they would click on it, and And as you can see, my blog comes up, you know, and the blog is about a best all-purpose rinse cleaning spray. So it just, you know, explains what a cleaning spray is, the benefits of it and everything. But the way I make money from this is, let's say someone comes here and they're reading it from Pinterest and they click on this, they will get taken to Amazon. And if they buy this right here or any other link that I have, I will get paid for that, you know. So that's how I make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, and it's really easy to get started. The first thing, of course, is you need to find your niche. You need a niche. Like my niche right here is Crisp So Clean, and the cleaning niche, that's my niche, is cleaning. So once you find your niche, you need an affiliate program. The affiliate program I use, of course, is the Amazon Associates, which you can easily sign up for. It takes like 2 minutes to sign up for this. Okay, once you find your niche and have what affiliate products you want to sell in your affiliate program, all you need to do is come over here and create your designs now, which is really easy. But you can use Canva, which I use Canva to create a lot of different things. I highly recommend you start creating on Canva as well. But all you need to do is come over to create a design, and as you can see, it's Pinterest pin right here. All you need to do is click on this. It's already pre-formatted for you. What I love about Pinterest is they already have designs for you, so you can easily create pins that's already designed and then just, you know, customize them to your liking. So, you know, whatever your niche is. So mine is cleaning, so I'm gonna type in cleaning. And let's say I like this one right here. I will just click on it. And another thing that you can do to customize it a little more is you can come over to elements right here, search elements, and then type in like cleaning, because, you know, cleaning is your category, and elements. Click on where it say photos. As you can see, it's a lot of different cleaning photos, and this one right here looks pretty nice. So I'm gonna add that one in, and as you can see, it changes up the whole pin. I can even change the color so it matches a little better, and boom. As you can, then the text, of course, I can put in my name, which is Crisp So Clean, so I can have a branded feel, and then I can put shop now or even read now if it's a blog, and then, you know, I can get rid of this, and then, you know, I can have all-purpose cleaning spray if I'm still advertising the cleaning spray, you know, adjust it a little bit, make it up a little more, and then boom, just like that, I just create a new pin that easy, which you can do whatever niche you in. You can come up here and search up cleaning, coffee, food, cooking, whatever niche you in, you just can search it up and easily create a pin like this, you know. And then once you're done with it, you can hit download. So I'm gonna download this. I'm gonna come back over to Pinterest, my business hub, and then I'm gonna create a organic pin, create new pin. And what I just downloaded, I'm gonna just add that in, add a title, best all-purpose cleaning spray, and then my link, I'm gonna go to Amazon, and then the link right here that I have for this product, this cleaning product, I'm gonna copy this, come back over here to Pinterest, add that in. You know, if I want to add in a different board, add into a board or something, I can do that as well. Or even if I wanted to add in tags, you can do that. And then a description, so I can just add in a simple description like this: ready to clean. And this post will go over the 5 best all-purpose cleaning sprays you need to be using. So something simple like that. And as you can see, just that easy. It took us what, 5 to 10 minutes to create this one pin. And if we're creating 1 to 3 a day, eventually they're gonna start ranking in SEO on Pinterest, and you know, it's gonna be the top, and we're gonna start gaining traffic. That's how I got over 30,000 views on this account, by just using this simple strategy, you know, adding in my links. And when people click on my links, or, you know, go read my blog or anything of the sort, then I will get paid. So that's that easy. You can start up Pinterest affiliate marketing. Okay, and the third online business you can get started with is one of my absolute faves, because I've been doing it for so long now. It's been one of the first online incomes I got started with, and that is by starting a blog. Blogging has changed dramatically over the years. It's gotten 10 times easier, because at first you had to create all the blog posts and everything on your own. You didn't have any AI tools to help you like ChatGPT, but you can use ChatGPT and Jasper AI and different tools to help stimulate the process and help make it easier. You can even use like Google Trends, and it's a lot to blogging. You know, blogging is not easy, but you know, it's a W income when you get started with it and, you know, really lock in on it. But this right here is my blog. It's WebStart Ventures. I started this one up last year, I believe. You think it's been around half a year, maybe 7 months. Blogging does take a while to really build up. I would say give it a good year before your blogging starts seeing a lot of good traffic. But the way you can start up a blog is by using your own web hosting, which you can get from like Name Hero, which does cost money. It's not free. It doesn't cost that much money. You can easily start a blog with less than $100. This just allows you to have a domain name. Like namehero.com is their domain. domain. So that's what all it is. Like mine right here, this is my domain is webstartventures.com. That's my domain, and it's through Nameher I created it. So if you like typing, writing, you know, anything of that sort, then I highly recommend you get started with a blog. But if you don't want to pay any money with it, you can go to Freeway. You can go the Medium route. Medium.com is a free blogging platform that you can get started on. I've been blogging on here for quite a while now. I've got over 100 blogs on mine, and you can easily get started on it for completely free. All you gotta do is come over to Medium.com, sign up, hit write, add in a title, tell your story, and then add in, you know, your blog post. And what I like about Medium blogging on here as well is it gets traffic for you. So all you need to do is just keep writing, and eventually people are going to start reading your blog posts on Medium.com, and then you can even sign up to the partnership program, which pays you money as well. So there's a few different ways that you can start blogging, you know, going to Freeway with Medium, or creating your own website, and then, you know, you can use ChatGPT and different online tools to help create blog posts if you know you're not the biggest fan of blogging. But I highly recommend getting started with blogging, because it can become a very passive income that makes you money on autopilot once you really get started with it and been, you know, put in some time and effort into it. Okay, and on to our fourth online business, and that is creating a faceless YouTube channel. It has become way more popular thanks to AI, and it's become easier as well to grow because of YouTube Shorts. So pairing AI, YouTube Shorts, you can easily grow up an audience. This one right here is one of my accounts. It's called Bible Finds. It's around biblical content that I make, you know, around stories from the Bible and everything. So it's really easy to get started with it and make content around this niche as well. So all you need to do is first use a AI voiceover, and I use DubDub AI. They have an online tool that lets you create high quality AI voiceovers. They have different ones that you choose from. Antoni is the one that you hear most of the time. Let me play a little bit.
Sometimes, when I come across these works, I feel a special affinity for them.
If you recognize that voice, I'm sure it's from YouTube Shorts or, you know, TikTok, Facebook, whatever you're on. This is the most popular one that you can start using too if you come over to DubDub. And when you get your voiceover, this is that voiceover that most people use. And once you have your voiceover, you can use Midjourney. Midjourney is what people use to get their photos. That's very high quality. So as you can see, it's very easy to get Midjourney photos in armor for motorcycle protection, modern, clean, minimalist, futuristic. And as you can see, it's shot out a very high quality photo. As you can see, these photos on Midjourney are high quality. So I highly recommend using DubDub, Midjourney, and then last but not least, to really put them all together, is going to be using CapCut. CapCut is what I use when I create my content. You can create some very high quality content using CapCut. As you can see, you can add in different edge glows and different special effects, like with this sun right here, make the photos really come to life. And then, you know, add in your voiceovers right here, and then different sound effects. So using CapCut is the best and easiest editor you can use if you're a beginner. If you want to use Premiere Pro or DaVinci or anything of the sort, you can of course use that one. But CapCut is very easy to use. It's very user friendly. So I highly recommend putting all your stuff together on CapCut if you want to go with the faceless YouTube channel route. Okay, and moving on to our fifth and final online business that you can start on this list, and we're going to be going back to Pinterest for this one, and that's going to be doing a dropshipping store through Pinterest. I'm sure you've heard, you know, dropshipping using TikTok or Facebook, but a lot of people sleep when it comes to Pinterest. I love Pinterest as a platform because, you know, it's so underrated. It gets around 400 million monthly active users, which is a lot of people that, you know, a lot of people overlook. That's a lot of people using a platform each month. So, and the people in the statistics, people that be on Pinterest make usually more money than like Facebook or, you know, TikTok, and they come to Pinterest a lot of times to shop, and they buy from unbranded stores a lot. So Pinterest has a lot of statistics to back up using this. So I highly recommend you start using Pinterest, whether it be for dropshipping or affiliate marketing. But the way you get started with this one is not that hard at all. All you need to do is start creating content. So let me show you what I mean by this. So right here, as you can see, this is Dreamlike Cooking. This isn't my, you know, cleaning page. It's the cooking page, and it has over 1,000 followers, and it gets around 40,000 to 50,000 monthly views per month. It's only halfway through the month right now, so I'm sure I can easily get around 80 to 90,000 views per month. So I'll easily be able to get 400 to 500 sales this month. And, you know, if I'm getting I get around a $5 to $10 profit per sale. So I make decent money just from this one store. But there's a few different ways that you can do this. As you can see, easy. So let me show you. The right here is my link to my store that I have in my page. So homeshin.com is my store. So when somebody clicks on it, they come over to my store, Homeshin, and it's, you know, a cooking product right here for $34.99. Brunch Boss, TM, trademark, make cooking a breeze, you know. And then I have the product right here, a little short description, a little review right here. So, you know, I put a little effort into, you know, make sure that the landing page looks nice. And then, you know, when somebody buy it, I'll get a commission. Well, you know, when somebody buy it, I make money. That's all I have to do. But it's not that hard to grow on Pinterest by using this. There's two different ways I did this. The first way is I created my own pins, like how I did with Crisp So Clean, how we created the pin earlier. That's what I did. And the second way that I use sometimes too is I just get content from TikTok. So over here on TikTok, I'm gonna just search up cooking right here. So I'm just click on cooking, and then the videos right here for cooking. I just scroll through, see what I like. Let's say I wanted to use, you know, this video, easy dinner video right here, or, you know, this video right here, making dinner at home to save money. You know, I'll click on this, and then I'll copy the link, and then I'll come over to an app called Snaptik.app. I'll paste in the TikTok link, hit download again, and now what I just downloaded, I'll come back over to Pinterest, then I'll create a pin, and then add in what I just downloaded right here. Add in a title, you know, save money on dinner. So, you know, I add in a little description as well, looking to save money on your meals. This easy recipe will help you achieve that, you know. And then, you know, I can even add in a destination link. That's what I like about Pinterest too. You know, on TikTok or Instagram, you can only have a link in the bio, but you can have a link in your bio on Pinterest, and you can have a link on every single last pin you create too. So let's say this Brunch Boss right here, I want to copy this whole thing, copy it, come back over to Pinterest and paste that in, and boom, when somebody clicks on this pin, they'll be taken to my Brunch Boss product so they can buy it. So you can do that for every pin, which makes Pinterest a powerful tool to be using if you're, you know, trying to make money with drop shipping, affiliate marketing, promoting a product, or anything of the sort. And then lastly, for the description, you don't want to forget, you want to type in credit, type in credit, and then come back over to TikTok, to the video you just had, copy the username of the video you just got, come back over to Pinterest, type in that username, and then boom, just that easy. You can publish 1 to 3 new pins. You can create new pins, so you can have around 3 to 4 new pieces of content each day. You're gonna start growing eventually if you're making, you know, 3 to 4 pieces of content a day. So I highly recommend you start creating a content on Pinterest, and you need to make sure you stick to it, you know, for the next 3 to 4 months, maybe even 5 to 6. You're just creating content, a bunch of different content on Pinterest, and then, you know, adding in content like this, and then put it in your link to, you know, your drop shipping store, your affiliate marketing store, and then you can easily rack up some cash by doing this. When you have a decent product, and, you know, you build up a landing page like this for people to come to, and I guarantee you're going to start getting sales from Pinterest. Okay, and that right there was my top 5 online business models you need to get started with. Don't get started on all of them at the same time. Pick one, you know, and then move on to the next one if you want to do that. I hope this video was helpful for you. You just found your next online business model you can get started with. I make a decent amount of money with each of these because, you know, I do them all. So I hope you take the time and effort, because, you know, this isn't just a 1 week or 2 week thing. You need to be putting in, you know, effort for a couple months, you know, at the bare minimum, maybe even, you know, 4 or 5, 6 months, because it does take time to build up an online business, no matter what it is. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and I wish you good luck in your online business journey, and until next time.